told me she's not in the house.
I support you. So you're the one tormenting me and my family all this while.
Maybe.
What did I ever do wrong to you?
Maybe it is not as you think. Not as you think. Eh?
If it's not as she thinks, tell me how is it? Don't stand there looking like that. Why did you donate blood to my daughter? And tell me, how are you my relation?
Can you tell my husband I didn't cheat on him with you? Tell us why you didn't get blood to my daughter, please.
This man talk now. I go punch you. I dey vex now. What did they happen? From the minute I set my eyes on you, there has been trouble. You have been behaving strangely. Worst of all, I saw my pictures with you. Talk, Joe.
Talk now.
Start talking or I blow your head off.
I'm sorry. Let me say something, please. She did not cheat on you, sir. She didn't. It is a long story, sir. I was in love with her, and I wanted her to give me a son, at least a child.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Please, who do you want to see?
Yes, I want to see your madam, Mabel. Is she inside?
Oh, Mabel.
Yes.
They no longer live here.
What? Where have they gone to?
Mr. Morris has built his own house, so they've relocated.
To where? To where?
I think, Asaba precisely, yes. That's where they stay right now. If you don't mind, I'm already on my way before you came.
Don't be so proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have. For the world is very strange, things will always change, life changes all the time. Don't be so proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have. For the world is very strange, things will always change, life changes all the time. Life changes all the time. Don't be so proud of who you are, what you are, and the things
Yeah, okay. Don't worry. Let me see.
Who is paying me, please?
Oh, wait, I'll be the one. Thank you.
I wish I would see this kind of girls to carry every day. Bad girls. Hey.
No! Stop it!
No,
Why
you
you like
stop.
this?
You stop. Hey,
They
Daddy.
do
It's
cool.
It's okay, it's okay.
How are you?
How are you?
Fine.
Alright. And how about Papa?
Sick of him. I don't know.
He didn't come?
Can we go now?
Oh, then let's go. Let's go.
Let's go!
So this is where my daughter and chief live. I have said that one day God will bring me to know this very place. Now here I come. Okay. So Chief did not send my daughter abroad to study? She's even in the same school with Mary. I know what to do. I know what to do. What did it happen? You just carry bread, dried bread, they chop. No water, no mineral. Now what for you?
Hello, my brother. What the man go do now? Money not there.
Money not day. This your chacha where you get for this place, so yes, money not day. This all they bring you money, make you for chop your money, Papa.
The chacha go bring money for himself. Money not there. Make I just stop at the go.
Make you take wash and
Hello, my brother. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, eh? Thank you. Thank you, eh? Not finish, Amo. Not finish, Amo. But enjoy yourself, eh?
It's my bench.
Hello, Papa. Where are you now? We are running late and you are not outside here yet. Upon Azagi. You will have told us you have stomach upset. You didn't call, you didn't tell me. You still... No problem. Take care of yourself. Papa is sick. I beg, let's get the campus shut off. I'm late already. Papa, we are late.
Yes, my dear. Ah, not at all. It's strong. They can't wait.
So you can drop us off at campus.
Why? Please come inside, eh?
Thank you.
Kalu, you are wicked. Kalu, you are an evil man. God will punish you. For not putting me and my family through this. You! What did I do to you?
Maybe it is not as you think. I'm sorry.
You made me train your own child for you. I promised you, you will rot in jail. Call her, your daughter here now. Call her! Take your phone and call her. Right now.
Okay, sir. It's all right, sir.
How are you? I'm good. Wow, you see. Greeting. I'm fine. Fine. Wow, Mama. Wow, you're welcome. I'm fine. Wow.
Clinton, this is my wife. Monica. Wow. And this is my son, Obinna.
Wow, Obinna.
My daughter is still in school, but very soon she will join us here.
Yes. Oh, that's great. Oh, Mama, you're so beautiful. You have such a beautiful.
Oh, you brought it.
You look exactly like my mother. You guys are welcome. Just come in, Hello? Hey, Apana. No. We're at home. We are in our real family house right now. Yes. No, that place is not our house. We are now our real family house now. No. I don't know the place. I don't know the place. See, if you see this, my brother, our mother's carbon copy. If you see, I don't know the place. I don't know the place. Okay. Let me give it to somebody so that he will direct you. Hold on.
Hello. This is assistant owner of the house talking. Yes. If you stop at that GRA junction, from there, use Okada or taxi. If you come, we will pay. There's so much money. Yes, ask of late Chief Uke's compound. It's very big compound though. Yes. If you see anyone that is not big, pass it. With the black gates. Yes. Come, knock there. Yes. Start coming. Come. Naba.
Bring him out!
Hey, forgive me, I beg you. Forgive me.
Hey! Bring him out! Take him away! I said, take him away!
Look at you now. It's the girl I told you that has been tormenting me in school. So she has been tormenting me in school.
You will die in jail! You will die in jail!
Alright.
Sorry, is this late Chief Okeke's house?
Yes.
Eh? Papa said it too.
Huh?
Don't tell me you are the daughter of Mr. Bag.
Yes, and I came to see him. You, what are you doing here? Is it your house?
You! Follow me. And I come. So I go back. Follow me!
Please come and take me inside.
Follow him. Follow me.
Follow you.
Yes.
Follow me! Follow me!
I should follow you. Sorry,
Come. Follow me. Follow me.
Don't be so proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have. For the world is very strange, things will always change. Life changes all the time. Life changes all the time. Don't be so proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have. For the world is very strange, things will always change. Life changes all the time.
You are here.
Mama, come here. This is true. Mama?
Is she your daughter?
Yes. She's back from school. Trisha. She's Madam Imelda, your late uncle's wife.
Good day, ma.
You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you.
Oh, where is my son? Clint!
Wow, yes.
Mama, she's beautiful. Mama, you sing clearly.
What are you doing in this house?
She's my daughter. Tricia, the one I told you about. She just came back from school and she came to be with us here.
Teacher, have you greeted him? Teacher, what is it?
Clinton is my son, the heir to the throne of Iyenu Kingdom. Have you both met before?
Mom, this is the rude girl that I've been telling you about. She's the one. Is she truly your sister?
Yes, she's my sister.
Clinton.
Leave this house!
Clinton.
Mom, she must leave this house.
Please don't do this.
I'm not going to him. He's not my father and I am not leaving this family. This is my family. This is my home. I'm not going anywhere.
But you didn't plan all this to happen.
I don't care. He is not my father, not my papa. This is my house and that girl is not taking my place. I don't agree.
He will die in jail. That man made me suffer for him. He is evil.
I'll kill that man. I'll kill that man and I'll kill that girl. She's not taking my place in this house. It's not possible. I will not allow it. I won't.
Chief, where is our daughter?
I'm here.
She has gone back. She refused to come in. She has gone with the mother.
Let them go?
That's it. I'm going to kill that girl and I'm going to kill that man. She's not going to take my place for this house. She's not taking my place in this house. Never!
You would rather kill that man than kill my daughter. Now that I have seen my daughter, nothing will make me not to get her back here. That man is evil and cannot live with my daughter under one roof.
And me? Okay, we need our blood here.
Kill that man.
We need our blood in this house.
We need our blood.
Mom, please stop. Just stop. Stop telling me this. What are you saying?
She can't be in this house, and that's period. She can be my blood sister by birth, but staying in this house is an NO. She must leave this house. Don't have to insulting me. What are you telling me?
Clinton, calm down. Remember, she is the person we have been looking for years now. Please forgive her.
I see. We've been waiting for that rude girl. No, we've been waiting for that rude girl that humiliated me, Mom. You need to ask her before. That girl and her friend humiliated me.
And it's good she meets you this way again. That's why we always say that this world is a sweet place. Will she ever believe she will see you again? You see? You need to forgive her.
Mom, just stop. Just stop. I'm not forgiving anyone. Just stop.
I'm begging you.
What are you saying? I should forgive her.
Forgive her,
Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for insulting you. I was only siding my friend. Please.
You're siding your friend, yeah? And you can't advise your friend when she's going wrong. You're siding your friend. Please, just leave my presence, please.
I'm sorry.
Mom, just tell her to leave my presence.
I'm sorry. I promise it won't happen again. Please. Okay, just look at it. I was just busy insulting my own blood brother. I never knew you're my brother. Please, I'm sorry. Please.
Please. You have to forgive her. This is the time for us to be happy and make merry. Yes. Look at it now. Please.
Just stand up. Just stand up.
We are now one big happy family.
You see, in this life, never look down on anyone. Because you don't know who will be great tomorrow. This world you see is a small world. Who knows that your story will end this way? You don't do that to people. You don't even know me, and you did all of that.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
It's
okay.
Please, for my knees.
My eyes are on the same thing. Okay, look at the profession. Mommy, is she? It's true, right? I've been to the house. Okay.
What did I do to Carlo? Why would Carlo hurt me so bad? Why? Carlo, why? I can't afford to let this girl. Did I do wrong by getting married to you? Why are you so wicked? Why did you not join in giving us that break? My heart is bleeding. Mama, I don't know more. I can't afford to lose you too. I can't. Now I want you. Hey, why did you ask me to come? Mama, what is this? Talk to me, Mama. What is this?
My word has crumbled. If I tell you, you won't believe it. I can't even believe it myself. I cannot believe it myself.
You see, my word has come to an end. The man I used to call father, the man I call father is not my father. The man I call father is not my father. Gina's father is my real father, and Gina is my father's real daughter. Oh, Mom, I'm not leaving you, Mom, I'm not leaving you.
I cannot stay without you.
You are the only mom I know, Mom.
I can't see you calling another woman mother. No.
Mom,
I'm not leaving you. You cannot leave me. You can't leave me. You can't leave me. You cannot go another woman mother. I'm not leaving you.
She refused to open the door.
Did you knock well?
Yes, my dear, but she didn't open the door.
Okay. Go back. Huh? It's alright. What will I do about this? If I kill this man, what will people say?
Chief, you're not a murderer, okay? Thank God this actually happened now. It would have been very, very bad if I come later. I want my daughter. She's a beautiful lady, very beautiful. And from what Gina used to tell me back then, she said she's equally intelligent. Please, bring her back to me. I beg you. I beg you. In God's name, bring her back to me.
Of course, I am a chief. My blood will not be outside. Gina has to understand that something has happened. That this has happened. She has to go back to her people so that I can get mine.
Chief, it is not easy. Considering the fact that she has been with us all her life. Even me, it's not easy for me. She has been my daughter for over 27 years now. I've called her daughter and I've loved her so much.
I know. I love her so much too. And I still love her. But she has to understand our position right now. It should have been better that the secret was not revealed. Maybe I'm sorry for what I did to you. Please forgive me.
Chief,
I've already forgiven you. Every other man would have done the same. But what I want is my daughter. Because I already love her. She carries my blood in her veins. I want my daughter. Just quickly bring her to me.
So you mean say our almighty madam no go there again to the beat us?
Camera, you won't tell me say you really happy say she won't leave us here. See, make I tell you, if I tell you say I know they happy, you know say I dey lie. If you enter inside my heart now, I did like that small thing where those speaking the drink. If the drink finish, they're going to be happy.
Happy hour.
Oh, you know, I don't even know say you know. Happy hour. If I tell you say I know they happy for my mind, you say I dey lie. You feel me so? See, all those times when she go come, they clap, but they do everything. They do. See, look at the that girl too wicked. She dey heartless.
Why you not talk since?
I don't blame you.
But not be lying. Madam wicked. She wicked. But it be like say this our new madam. They're very nice. Let make me at the pity her because she don't suffer. She don't suffer when her papa get plenty money.
See, as in TikTok and no be so. She don't suffer. Baby, she don't suffer. See, look at it, as you even dey here, they suffer now. How my sure say, Dangote, no be my papa. I dey hear the clean shoe, the wash car. They do this, you go fly small, you go from backyard, they give me a time. I want to say, Dangote, no my papa. It's high time where me, where be Idris, go back to my village, go ask my papa. Understand? I go ask my papa and mama, ask my parents who my father is. If he be that Dangote, that's good.
As you be like this, waiting don't you. Your papa be Dangote. Look me finish, we fine like this. Look me finish, say Dangote na your papa. If Dangote na your papa, that means Emeka Offor. My father.
Come on there. If the driver come offer for you for book, you don't know, just a club, you know, now we be careful, so the form. So what I go run cream, rub this, rub that, so that I go teach, and I go belong, you know, like I said, see, look at the, I go you where, that way you come here, you go to anybody, from Oboko, all this, and this village inside, you know, I know you now. I like you.
Try that one with me again. No problem.
So that is it. That's basically what is delaying me right now. I mean, I can't tell her anything in this condition, so I just have to be patient and pause the whole thing. I'm just not happy, honestly.
Clinton, you have to calm down. Do not forget the saying that says that it will be over soon. But what are they doing about it?
Well, according to her, they have a court case today. So after the court case, they will decide on which way to go. So I'm still trying to hear from her.
Oh, you see, this type of lady is unpredictable. Who would have known that this bragging girl is just from a poor home? But then, how is she going to cope out there?
Well, that's her business. My new sister, yeah, she's so comfortable at home. She doesn't even go there again. And I don't know, I'm just speechless on how the whole thing turned out to be funny, honestly.
But that Kalu man is evil. But you asked me, what was he even thinking?
Well, that's his business. There's a saying that he that lives with evil dies with evil. And also, he that lives in a glass house should never throw stones. My main desire, my brother, is to marry my dream woman. And I will know All the promises I made to my father is almost complete. Except crowning myself the king of the Yeno kingdom. And I know he will be happy anywhere he is. And guess what? I just can't wait for my dream woman to be beside me and then watch the whole occasion and all of that.
My future king. My future king. I'm happy for your girl. She deserves it. She's calm, she's adorable, she's everything you wanted in a woman.
You can say that again, you can't keep going on. You're just a lucky man. You're a lucky man.
And still pray for me too, that God such a good woman.
Oh, you know it's about time. It's about time.
I know. I know.
I greet you all. I thank God that this issue has come to an end. And this is the court order, not mine. The court order states that Miss Gina, former Miss Gina Iloh is hereby mandated to go back to Mr. Kalu Okonkwo, who has been proven by the court to be her biological father. And that Miss Mary, former Miss Mary Okonkwo, is hereby mandated to go back to Chief Maurice Iloh, who has been proven beyond any reasonable doubt by the court to be her biological father. That is what the court said.
Never. It no go work. It will not happen. There is no way I'm going to leave my place in my father's house and allow this girl here to come and take over. You see this girl? She's a witch. From the very first day I set my eyes on you, you have given me nothing but problems. And I will not leave my father's house for you to come here and take over. Never.
But that is what the court says.
Court, now my papa. This is what I say. And I say I will not leave my papa's house for her to come here and take my place. Did you hear me?
Gina, you have hated me all this while. I don't want to take your family away from you. I love my mother. I don't want to leave my mother. I don't want to be here. I like where I am.
Perfect.
No. Your place is with me. Come here.
But
Gina, I'll still take care of you. I'll train you to any level you want.
Very good, sir. I like that, sir. Very good. Thank you very much. In fact, Gina, my family loves Gina. Gina,
Don't you ever call me your daughter. Let me not hear and I really love you from your mouth. Did you hear me? I repeat, you are not my father. You will never be my father. I will not leave my father's house for her to come here and take my place. Instead, I will kill you and kill her.
Gina, I am your father.
Chief, as you can see, I have to take my leave now. See, you have to treat this issue with every calmness you have, okay? As you see, this is not going to be easy on them, and you too, okay? You have to obey the court order, please. Good day, Chief.
Bye. Thank you.
Ujuma, or what is your name?
What the hell are you doing here? I thought I asked you to clean my room. Eh?
Please, I'm sorry. If I...
You are sorry! No, wait. You are sorry. I asked you to clean my room and you're standing there telling me you are sorry. Theo, let me tell you something. It seems like you don't know me. God ask question though. See, I don't take nonsense. Because I'm calm with you doesn't mean that I'm like this. Eh? I don't can you imagine this girl? I don't can you imagine this girl? I asked her to clean my room since morning. And she's there telling me she's sorry that she's still busy. Theo,
explain yourself. Go and ask questions. What is it?
She asked me to clean her room and I told her once I finish her.
Wait, you're even lying. Trigger. Sorry. Tricia. Or Trigger. Let me quickly remind you that Odimgbe, that kind of life, shouting life, is not in this palace, in this place at all. Prince and Madame, they don't live that kind of life. If they see you shouting, they will be angry with you. Since we have been living in this house, nobody has been shouting to anybody. They are humble people. And they want everybody living in this house to be humble. Even me as Ajebo, I am too much. I am too much. People know me everywhere. But in this house, I'm humble. Look at me now. Even Ujuma here, because she's cleaning this thing, she is very humble. So you have to be humble. Oh. You have to be humble if you want to live in this house. If not, get a problem. Ujuma, take your time. If you finish what you are doing, then you go and do your own. But all I'm shouting, but wait, tell her. Makam Sobu.
I said, did you hear that? If you like, reproach yourself. If you like,
hey, shut up!
Hold it up! I'm not here. Sorry.
It's okay.
Sometimes she behaves like a mad woman. Sorry, okay?
I'm not going. Mom, I will not leave you. I'm not going, Mom. I won't leave you. This is my house. This is where I'm going to live the rest of my life. Please, Mom. Mom, please.
I know the way you feel, and I feel the same way too. But we must do what the court ordered. Listen, my happiness is that you are not going to suffer again.
Mom, I want to stay here and suffer with you, Mom. Please, Mom. If I leave you, my heart will burn. No, Mom, I want to stay here and suffer with you, Mom. Please. If I leave you, my heart will burn. I don't care what the God says, Mom. Please, I don't want to leave you, Mom.
Listen to me, and listen very good. You mother and daughter, listen. You are leaving this house. Leave this house so that my daughter will come and take her place. Yes. If you refuse to leave, maybe I will have to use force on you. And I mean it. I am going to do it.
Carlo, you still have mouth to talk.
Huh?
Shame on you.
Hey.
God will judge you. God will judge you. And if you do not take time, I will leave this house with her. And whatever that comes out of it, you will suffer it alone.
I will suffer it.
Yes.
Listen to me. If you don't know it now that I am ready. I will be pleased to suffer any consequence that will come out of it if she leaves. And if you leave too, I don't care. Say whatever you want to say now. But all I know is she must leave this house so that my daughter will come and take her place. Leave!
Dad, I will still call you Dad, even though you hate me. Now I know why you hate me so much. Why can't you love me the way they loved your daughter over there?
To love you? No, that I should love you. Love Ubakwaku. Love Ubakwaku! Go and go.
It's okay. Mary, it's okay. Forget whatever he says. Like I said, my happiness is that you are not going to suffer again. No?
It's okay, Mom.
It's alright.
He will only force me to hate him.
It's okay.
And when I do, he won't like it.
It's alright. Hi. What a wicked man. Mary. I want my own daughter. I want my own daughter.
She will come back.
Where are they? Oh, you are here. You are planning. If you like, gather together and plan. I am not going anywhere. I will not go.
Gina, calm down. The court has given order. If I leave you, it will look as if I am disobeying the court order.
Sorry.
Gina, why don't you allow us to do the right thing?
I beg. No talk to me. Do not talk to me. Because I know particularly you always wanted me to leave. But you have failed. What right thing do you want to do? That evil old man, did he do the right thing by switching me at birth? Has the court done the right thing? If they have, why that man not inside jail? Why?
They pardon him because of you.
I don't care. Is he not your father?
They pardon him so that he will be there to take care of you.
I say, this is my home and I'm not going anywhere. Ha! Fact. This is my father's house. Both of you, go to your father's house.
Woman, I am getting angry by the minute. Go and talk to her right now. Go and talk to her.
All of you, drink and make merry.
I am too much. A poor man has been made rich. And I know, all my life I never knew Obak as from a rich home. And today it has been made manifest. For that reason, drink and make merry.
I'll go back. Now you big up you.
Abi, prepare the soup. I will pay for everything I put. And I know, prepare the soup. I have been made rich. I am rich. My brother is rich, and I am a rich man. Today, I have located my rich brother, and the money is flowing. Make merry. Now I want to open. I know Nelly. Obaka. I know Gura could be an area. Drink. Oba. We can. Let me sing a song for you. Bring the Papa soup here. Obaka. Obaka. Obaka kunu geso. Mamne jeje. Mamna lala. Obaka kunu geso. Sing it. Obaka. Obaka. Obaka kaigeso. Oh yes. Obaka kaigeso. Tu. Obaka. Tu. Obaka. Tu. Obaka kaigeso. Mamne jeje manalana. Obaka kaigeso. Three. Obaka. 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 Obaka kaigeso. Mamne jeje manalana. Obaka kaigeso. Gina is taking this whole thing might get me annoyed finally. And I don't want to get annoyed.
Chief, calm down. Take it easy with her. Give her some time. It's not easy, you know.
Okay. But, you know, I want my daughter back as soon as possible. They will not release her since we are still holding her off. If she does well, I'll make her not suffer. I'll make her happy.
Chief, I beg you, don't be provoked. Let's give them some time. You don't want our daughter
more than I do. But I'm of the opinion that we should give them some time. It's not easy to find yourself with a set of parents and the next day you're with a different kind of parents. Please, time.
Let's obey the court's order first. Then we shall know what to do. I might even talk to that useless man to allow her come and stay with us. It is for their own good, you know. My angel, you are welcome. Sorry about the separation, but thank God we're here now.
It's okay. It's not your fault, sir.
Say daddy, don't call him sir.
You can call us daddy and mommy. I know it will be hard for you to realize, but try.
I will personally make sure you don't miss your other mom too much, okay?
Please, I don't want to miss her. Mom, please.
I will not. I'm your mommy, I'm not ma. Welcome, my darling. Welcome. Thank you.
You are the daughter of Chief Maurice Odimgbe, and you will never lack anything again in life, no matter where you were raised. What matters now is that we are together as a family.
Exactly.
Thank you, sir.
I know you will feel so bad, but don't take it to heart, okay? But let's go inside. No?
Don't touch me! Don't you ever lay your filthy hands on me! Don't touch me! Do not touch me!
But I'm your mother.
Don't touch her. You need to touch her.
Let me hear what.
Don't touch her. Come. Let's take this inside. Let's take them inside. Quick.
Carry this thing and let us go in. Hey! Don't spoil it, you. You don't have this kind.
Don't be so proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have. For the world is very strange. Things will always change. Life changes all the time. Don't be so proud of who you are.
Everything you need and want is made available. And look around. Anything you want that is not here will be made available too. All you need to do is to ask and you have it.
Thank you, Mom.
I'm so happy to hear you call her mom. My dear, you are welcome. Your father has suffered for you, but it's okay. You are the only one I have, so be happy. I know that you must be missing your other mom, but she'll be taken care of.
Thank you.
Your mom here will take you tomorrow for shopping so that you can get anything you want. Anything. I have made the money, so you will enjoy yourself.
Thank you, Daddy. Please, all I request for is that my mom,
It's okay.
I mean my other mom, should not be neglected. She sold her best wrapper to send me to school. My other dad hated me so much. Do you hear that? He never gave me anything I wanted. That woman used her blood to raise me. Please.
Chief, did you hear that? While we were here lavishing our money, love on their daughter, that miserable man was there and treating my own daughter.
Please, let's not talk about them. Else, I will be annoyed with him. Please.
Welcome to your house. I love you so much. Please do not cry. He maltreated me. It's okay, but I'm happy. It's made me stronger. It's made me to know what I want in life. Please.
Okay, my daughter. You're welcome once again. Eh? You're welcome once again. Eh?
It's good to have your own home.
I have boiled water for bed, and we have 2 bedrooms. One is yours. Let's go inside.
Gina, I know it is going to be difficult for you to adapt, but with time, you will surely adapt. That is how God wants it.
What is that? What God? What God are you talking about? What God? You are so disgusting. How could you even do anything like this? Just look at what you've done to me now. Look! Don't you dare bring God into this. Don't you dare. Let me tell you what. Begin to pray that I'm dreaming. Just pray I'm dreaming. Else your life is going to be miserable. You are going to live the rest of your life in misery. You'll pray for death to come and you certainly will not see death by the time I'm done with you. Don't look at me like that! You should be thanking God you don't know anything about this. Yes. Else both of you will have died in misery. Forget the English I am speaking. I decree. I am a mad person. Hey. I know normal. Una go yeram. Both you and Nam.
My angel. Mom, you look exactly just like me. Anytime I look at your face, I feel tears well up in my eyes. Wondering and remembering what you must have gone through in the hands of that man. You should have been living like a princess. You are. Look at the house you live in. This is where you should have been all these years.
It's okay. We should be thanking God that everything is over now.
Your father and I will make sure you don't lack anything ever again. We'll give you everything just for the asking. You have it.
Thank you, Mama. I promise to make both of you proud.
I believe you. Down in my heart, I believe you. I know you're going to make us so proud. Come here, your mommy and I love you so much.
That's what you want to say.
I made a very special one.
Okay, can I go and help them?
No, stay here with mommy. Haven't you suffered enough? Okay, it's alright, baby. It's alright.
I greet you all, my people.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm so happy to have you all here. I and my son have something to say.
Thank you, Mom. Well, I've said it before, and I'm still saying it again. This life we see is a pot of beans. For that reason, we must have to be good to one another. Because no one knows tomorrow. And I'm glad that we've all realized. And you're welcome to this family. I'm glad that you're my blood. You see, if there is one thing my father ever wanted, is to make sure that poverty is being eradicated in our kindred.
This is his voice. I can hear my brother talking.
May his gentle soul rest in peace.
Amen.
Without taking much of our time, I want us to know something. You see, after my coronation, I will discuss with the SMO to make sure that he destroys whatever cost that must have been laid on you to enable you have a safe return in the Yenu Kingdom.
Yes.
And I've made sure that your hospitality is tight. I know it's nothing. I bought you a duplex. You people will move in there in due time, and I don't know if that can go a long way.
Please, wait, Clinton, wait, please. Did I hear you right?
Yes. Oh my God. Mommy, thank you.
Well, Obinna, I understand that you're doing a business already. That's quite brilliant. I will be assisting you with a check of 5 million naira to put in your business. I don't know if that can go a long way, but...
Oh my God.
I'll be waiting for you to say this. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Oh my son, may God bless you both, mother and child.
Yeah, duplex.
God will bless you. Bless you. Thank you. But I have a little request. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. Go on. Mommy, Father, please, can I stay? I don't want to go with them.
Oh, come on, is that a request? This is your house. You can come anytime you like.
You're part of this family. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you.
Don't be so proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have. For the world is very strange, things will always change, life changes all the time.
Mara, good morning. How are you? I'm fine. How's your night? It was fine, and yours? Okay. Auntie, what are you doing? Please.
It's my job. Doesn't matter. Stop.
Auntie, no. Madam won't be happy if she sees you sleeping.
It doesn't matter. For me, it's nothing.
This is my job.
No, don't worry.
Angel, what are you doing?
Good morning, Mom.
And Amara.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning. And you let her do that. Take it away from her.
It doesn't matter. Please don't make it bossy.
I'm used to walking before going to school. I do it right from when I was little. Please, Mom.
I know. But here now is different. Granted you were raised that way. You are in your father's house now. This humility shows you took after me. But if you want to do it and it makes you happy, I'm not going to stop you. Feel free, okay? Come on, tell me how your first night in your father's house was.
Hello, love. I was looking for you in the other sitting room. I didn't know you were here. This is where your daddy and I sit anytime I want to relax. Oh, okay. So you're ready to leave?
Yes, Mom. I'm waiting for Dad to take me to school. He's dressing up.
Okay. So wait for him. He'll soon be here. Okay. Your dad and I have decided to register in a driving school. After which you buy your own car.
Oh God, thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mom. You're welcome. Yes. Wow. Meanwhile, I wanted to use this money to buy yourself something at school.
Thank you so much, Mom. You're welcome. I appreciate Mom. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mom.
I appreciate Mom. Thank you so much. You're welcome. So be safe at school, okay? Thank you, Mom. Alright. Me too, I'm getting ready to go out.
Okay, Mom. I wish you a nice day.
Thank you. Safe, right? Alright, Mom. Thank you. Okay.
Gina. How are you? Gina, please, did you sleep well at all? Can I take you to school?
Gina, how long will you continue like this with us?
As long as it take me to get enough armors or weapons to deal with you both. You think I'm playing with you? Do I look like I'm happy? Because I'm speaking English. You say happy? No worry. Continue. Bend your back. Just keep bending your back. You will suffer for it. As for you, go and sell that vehicle and buy a new one that will be taking me to school.
To sell this car? No. How can I sell it? I cannot have this kind of cab like this. And then I keep on paying somebody to take you to school.
Are you going to threaten me? Are you going to threaten me? Will you fight me? Will you fight me?
No, Gina, it has not come to
do you think you get that to a normal child?
I'm sorry.
Do you think you get that to a normal child?
I'm sorry.
Gina, you want to mess you up. You want to mess you up. Don't get me angry. Just don't get me angry. Don't call my name.
It's alright.
But what do you mean? I'm going to school.
Don't talk to me.
Gina.
I'll mess you up. I'll mess you up. I'll mess you up.
It was one piece.
Gina, that I should sell my car? But no, Gina, wait.
Gina, how?
You see what you brought upon yourself? Huh? Yes. Have you seen it? You went and exchanged my daughter to give to the rich man. I am very, very happy that wherever she is happy. Whatever she promised to do.
Listen to me.
It will fall on you and you alone.
It will fall on you too. You don't talk to me like that. You don't talk to me like that. Listen, if you dare talk to me like this again, in fact, anger I will slap you.
It will follow you.
It will follow you. Yeah, Gina, please wait. Wait for me. You mustn't trek to school. Gina, wait.
So proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have. For the world is very strange, things will always change. Life changes all the time. Life changes all the time. Don't be so proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have. For the world is very strange, things will always change. Life changes all the time. Don't be so proud of who you are.
Mary.
Hi, Mary.
What do you want from my friend again? When will you and your friend leave her alone?
Lucy, it's not what you think. See, Mary, I just want to apologize to you. I'm sorry for everything I've done in the past years. Please, just find it in your heart to forgive me. I feel so ashamed of myself. Honestly. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
You have nothing to be ashamed of. Okay?
Thank you. Just look at you and I. Look at you. Soon you'll be getting married to my brother. I mean, you'll be my wife.
Thank you. It's fate. Life is something we can't change.
Oh babe, so wait so. Now what send me for here? No, tell me what did they sup? Eh? See Trisha like this. Now one big motor just land down for here. Harry! I want to just drop it for you like this. What did they sup? Eh? You want to know everything. Apropos.
Don't worry, you get to know everything today, okay? I'll see you guys later.
Alpha, you shine your eye. You shine your eye. Shine out for me. Don't forget, no matter how lizard for inside ocean, you know if you be alligator, you shine your eye for me. And they call you since you come here, more arranger will take by that girl. You shine your eye.
You know, wait. You want to kill Mary? See you. I don't go support you for this one. You hear me so? I don't go support you. I deal with that girl since they try to make up for what I do her. You tell me to go buy her. I don't go do her. See, my brother is going to engage that girl tomorrow.
So you want to stab me in the back? No, tell me. Because that girl has been my problem from the very first day I set my eyes on her. So now I need your help to get rid of her and you want to backstab me. Right?
Nah, I don't go do this one. You hear me so? I don't go do one. I won't do it. My brother is in love with this girl. See, now you cause all these things, so now you even connect them. And faith can't make them. See, that one a handwork of faith. You hear me so? You know if you do anything. Me, I don't go support you for this one. You hear me so? I don't go support you. Better just back off. Repent. Just go and ask for forgiveness. Wait till be all these things.
Okay, stop now. Close mouth. No issues. If you say make I no do them, I no go do them.
You no go do them, Abby?
No issues, I no go do them.
My care. You know my babe. Oh, Allah.
No, it's so simple. Yeah, I try not to get myself involved. I do things when I can.
That's okay. So after here, where are you going to?
Well, I should be going to the hotel. I've got issues I need to sort out with my workers and, well, meet a few schedules.
Wow, that's a lot. You need to leave right now.
Oh? You don't even understand when I say you're the only one for me. So I should have your time, okay? Listen up, I'm here with you. I ain't going nowhere.
Stop it, you're flattering me.
I'm not flattering you, I'm only saying my mind and the way it is. Yes.
I want to go to the library and read.
Then we can go together, okay? That reminds me, have you eaten?
Not yet.
So why didn't you tell me? Okay, fine. Stay right here since you're going for lectures. Let me rush out and quickly get you the food.
Okay, I'll be at the library then.
Stefanito, I see you at the library. All right, baby. Let me quickly rush. I'll be back. Just stay right here for me.
Okay.
Maybe you don't know how happy I am. This girl is finally back in the house.
Honestly, I can't imagine it.
Yes.
I owe that woman a lot.
Me too. I will just rush and pick her up from school so that I take her shopping.
And make her speak everything she wants.
Don't you think?
What are you laughing at? I said, where is she? I'm going to get her. No, wait. Because I'm going to kill her.
Who?
Wait! She will not take my place in this house. How can you be like that? All of a sudden, you just don't love me all of a sudden. She just takes my place and then I'm forgotten all of a sudden. No!
I want to see her. Where she is.
Calm down! Gina, calm down. Let's talk.
I can't say that!
We can discuss it.
Just calm down.
No!
Gina, calm down.
Calm down, please.
Everything will be alright. Just take it easy.
Please.
No one is taking your place. You're still in our hearts.
We can talk about it. We can discuss
Please don't kill me. Stop calling my name. By the time I'm done with you, you're going to say this world will live and people get out. You didn't hear me so? I will show you that this world we live in is owned by some people.
Please. The both parents, they love you. If you have anybody to blame your real dad.
Keep quiet! He's not my real dad, he's your real dad. You and that evil man are my problem. I would rather die. No, I would rather kill you than have you take my place. I would rather kill you.
I'll do it for you. You're in pain. Don't worry. Don't say you know everything.
Come on, get out.
You know the whole world.
Come on, come on. You.
Come on.
Oh, Clinton, good afternoon. Fine, thank you. That is fine.
Okay. I'm looking for Mary.
We're actually in the library when one of our lecturers called her. So I've not seen her. I'm going to the class to check if she's there.
Okay. Just that I have a food I want to give.
Oh, okay, let me just go and call her.
Okay. Alright. Are you sure you don't want me coming with you?
No, just wait, I'll call her.
Not picking. What's going on? She's not picking.
Relax. Calm down, Clinton. Trisha has gone there. And when she finds her, she will call.
Mom, you don't even understand. I can't be settled knowing fully well that she's out there. I've called her parents. They are dead worried. I've also called her old mom. Same thing. No one knows her whereabouts. This is unlike Mary, honestly.
Don't worry. Nothing will happen to her.
Mom, that is not even a problem. I am supposed to propose to Mary today. Today, Mom. And my greatest fear right now is Gina promised to deal with her. And you know what Gina is capable of doing? I'm just dead scared.
That's what Trisha said.
Oh, it's okay. Nothing will happen to her. Just cool your mind.
I'm trying to cool my mind. I just can't.
Relax. Yeah. Okay, call Trisha. Try her now.
I told Trisha to call me once she gets in contact with her. She hasn't called because... Alright, I will call.
Gina, please, pass your food. Let me.
Mary, where are you?
What is it?
Mary is missing. Chief called that Mary is not back from school up to this moment. She's missing.
Oh, and that is why you are worried?
I'm worried.
Our only daughter is here. We need to give her food and you are worried about somebody's daughter. Somebody that is even going to enjoy herself and you are here worried. I don't know why you women, I don't know why you have very low brains.
Mr. Carlo, I've taken enough from you. Out of my own kindness, I let you be. Now, if you don't want to see the beast in me, tell your daughter to tell me where my daughter is.
Daddy.
Don't daddy me. If you make me hate you, I'll hate you to the last. Now, tell me where my daughter is.
Yeah, nah. Ozugonu, it's all right now.
See, calm down. How can you be accusing my daughter of what she doesn't even know about? Eh?
Stop it! Don't talk to me. Tell me where my daughter is.
No, you cannot continue accusing my daughter like that.
Stop that. Gina, where is my daughter?
She's behind the school library.
Jesus! Gina! You mean you left her there?
You know where that is?
You're wicked. Yes, Daddy.
Then come with me. Come with me at once. I will see you.
Yeah?
Are you a kidnapper?
Gina, what is she? What is it? Wait. No, what do you mean by that? Huh?
Why are you looking at me?
Why would I not look at you? Mommy, how have you been?
I'm good.
I'm fine. So, Mom, have they called you?
Oh, yes.
Eh?
They've made every arrangement.
Offor, hi.
But I told Chief that we want to have your wedding with your wife first, before the coronation.
Well, that's quite impressive. Mommy, I would say it's the right thing to do. Remember I told you before now we don't have time. We just have to start.
That's exactly, bro.
Yes, but I think the best thing now is to call a wedding planner. We can't be planning for wedding and coronation at the same time. Can't you see it's already weighing us down?
Mommy, I think you're right. I have one event planner that I could call.
You do?
Okay.
Then what are we waiting for? Call him straight up.
But I should call him right away.
Of course.
Yes.
Because we need to make all this thing done. No time for all this.
I hope you have enough airtime. Okay.
Gina, why did you sell off my car? Huh? No, why did you sell it off? Tell me, how will I survive?
You better begin to go find that way you go begin to do with your life. Because I don't sell them. And the money, that's like this, I'm going to chop and small until you finish. Once you finish, I have to begin to arrange, they organize new team where I go see for your office sell. So, may you begin to prepare yourself now.
Gina, what is it? What is it? That car is the only source of our survival. Why did you sell it?
Hey, not share for me, oh. Not share for me. You don't hear me so? When everybody do their own, I don't argue with anybody. That my fake papa. Come arrest me because I kidnapped that girl, make her for free deal with her. Use police arrest me, they can't arrest me, I can't miss my exam. Last, I can't get carried over. And I'm not talking anything. You squeeze face like money with the spray person with the mash for grab. Don't talk to me like that.
Hey!
Gina, I know I have done wrong. Yes, I know it. But that is not enough for you to sell off my only car. The only survivor car that I... Hey.
Yes! Wait.
Eh?
How?
If not be you now, may you begin to do press up, they prepare. Because once this money finish, I will find out what I go sell. In fact, since now you get this house now, I will don't sell this house, all the tenants when they inside, they sleep, I will sell everybody at the house. You know they fear me?
Carlo! Tonto! You see what you brought upon yourself? You're on your own.
So proud of who you are, what you are.
Yeah, Jibo, how much is remaining in this house?
56,000 only.
56,000?
Alright, take this card, go to the cash machine and get me some money, alright? Be fast about it.
I thought you said you would go to sleep.
Yeah, but that would be like later in the...
Hey, bro. I see you going out.
And I thought you've left already. I didn't know you're still hanging around.
No, I was busy.
Okay.
We go.
You sweetie.
I was thinking if Ajibo can drop me in school. I'm running late.
Sure, why not? Why not? Jibo, you need to drop her off first before heading for the cash machine, yeah? Oh, that's okay.
Thank you. I'll see you. Shut up. Let's go.
Can't you see? She's a genius. I told you I would get this super brilliant. She is a genius. I am happy.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom.
First class. I say first class. This calls for celebration. I'm going to honor you, baby.
We love you. You have made us proud. Then, I'm going to surprise you after your wedding.
Really, Dad? Thank you so much. I was thinking of going abroad for my master's, but I have changed my mind. I want to do it in the country. I can't afford to leave you both now. I love you both so much.
I love you so much, my darling.
We love you also. You know, we have always loved you. So, this calls for the drinks.
Yes.
No, Dad, Mom, please. I want to go and see my other mom. I've not seen her for a while now. I want to bring her here to stay with me because, please, Dad, please, Mom.
We'll have it, baby. And this is the time for me to show her some gratitude.
Go ahead. Thank you, Dad.
The way you come now.
Thank you, Dad.
Okay.
Thank you, Dad. Okay.
Huh?
I will.
Be careful.
Okay, baby.
So let me understand you very well. What you mean now? You say you and I are not friends anymore, right?
Gina, it's not like that. See, you know I'm planning for my NYSC. And my brother said he doesn't want to see you come close to our house. He even wants me to stay away from you.
Levels. You are planning for your NYSC. Me, I never graduate, I still stay here. Ha! So I know if you can't spend time for your room again. That is what you're trying to tell me to my face. Trisha!
Gina, you caused all these things. I remember begging you to calm down. I told you, Gina, calm down. But you refuse. Look at you now. Just look at you. See, me, I don't know. It's just that I'm very busy. We are planning for my brother's traditional marriage and his coronation.
You are an ungrateful friend. After everything, I'm now an unwanted person. An outcast. Because of what happened. No wahala.
Gina,
no problem.
Gina, calm down now.
Don't worry.
See, the truth is I still love you.
Last, I will tell him I will burn him.
What do you want in life? Why not help yourself and calm down?
Now me they talk to. Now me they talk to. You the craze? Or because say you drive car where I don't drive tire. You cannot come here. You want to sit down on top of my head? Gina, why did you slap her? Hey, them mama, don't talk to me. You know what she talk? Every other person will follow me talk. This one we don't even know where he dey. He dey here, he dey there. He said come here to come follow me talk. let me give you an advice. If you don't know where you belong, why don't you come back here and let's switch places?
Gina, you can go ahead and slap me again. This is not the first time. But I assure you, if you don't repent, you will end up burning yourself. I'm taking my mother out of here. Go ahead and kill your father. You will end up living alone. Mother, go into the car.
Better check your heart, oh.
Dad, please search your heart. You once loved her. That is all she needs now. Someone to prove to her that she is still loved.
Have I not tried that? She ended up provoking me. What if she had killed you?
Thank God I'm still alive, Dad. Please, go to her. Talk to her. Cuddle her. Promise her things, Dad. She is still your daughter. I saw her today. She is going down slowly. She is dying slowly. Even the man she calls father is going away slowly. He doesn't know what he's doing, Dad. Dad, please.
Mary, it's okay. When you talk like that, you break me. Eh? After all she did to you, you still love her. I don't know what kind of woman being you are.
Dad, I'm your daughter. This is whom you and God made me to be. That is why you and Mom owe a lot to my other mom. She did everything she could to raise me to be a good child. That is why I will never let her suffer.
She will never suffer. Eh? I will go to Gina now. We need to make peace with her. That's my daughter. Yes, my people. We are all gathered here to make merry and be happy. I am so happy that God has kept us all alive to see this unity gathering of all the people that I cherish so much. I am so happy that my two daughters are getting on fine now.
Not just your
Yes.
They are my daughters.
Our two daughters.
The eldest
They
one
are
behaving properly.
they are now getting well together very well. They are living together, enjoying themselves. And it is the work of God. For God has given me two special gifts.
That's it. That's it.
Two daughters.
Beautiful girl.
Gina, my lioness.
Yes. What? No, wait. Stop. Well, that's true.
I'm married. My wife's counselor.
That is nice. She's wise.
And I want to use this opportunity, everybody, to say that God has blessed me in a special way, and I say glory be to God. And I want to tell you too that I love you so much.
I'm the happiest person alive today. Seeing my sister here with me. Who would have believed that she would be with me like this? I love you.
Oh, I love you too. Thank you, my two dads. Thank you, my two moms. I love you. Thank you, everyone.
We love you. I love you too.
Let us learn to love people. The more we hate people, the more they become bad. But when we show them love, it breaks their hearts. And they change from bad to good. Is she talking about me? No.
Can't be you.
I swear. I love you.
Don't be so proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have. For the world is very strange, things will always change, life changes all the time. Don't be so proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have. For the world is very strange, things will always change, life changes all the time. Life changes all the time. Don't be so proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have. For the world is very strange, things will always change, life changes all the time.